Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay with PayPal on TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok account, which of course I've done right here. How to get a TikTok app. Launch your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Search for TikTok and follow through with the on-screen prompts to download or install. After downloading, it's going to take you right into the application where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create a new account. Now, whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on TikTok. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to pay with PayPal on TikTok Shop. To get started with this process, it means you need to set up your shop on TikTok Shop and link your TikTok shop to your TikTok account. You can do that using the TikTok seller account. So head over to your TikTok shop account and link TikTok with your TikTok shop. After linking successfully, you're going to find the TikTok shop button or the TikTok shop icon right here at the bottom of your screen. This bottom where you find the home, friends, inbox, and profile, you're going to find the shop icon. So click on the shop icon, and once you click on the shop icon, it's going to take you to a window where you have a wide array of products so you can select from. So once you click on the product that you want to order, you're going to find a couple icons. At the bottom of that window, you're going to find other and you're going to find payment, which is just right below other. So you're going to find the payment icon. Now go ahead and click on the payment icon, and once you click on the payment icon, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find the payment methods. You're going to be asked to add your credit card or your debit card, and of course go ahead and enter the details or the debit card details, the credit card details that you link to your PayPal account. So click on any of that, any of the card options. Go ahead to PayPal and select, or go ahead to PayPal and copy your PayPal account, your PayPal card account details. Once you do that, head over to that window on TikTok, that add payment method window, and use any of the options to fill out your PayPal card details in there. So once you do that, you will now be able to make payments with PayPal using TikTok Shop. So that's pretty much the process. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.